kill you.
Okay, well, we made our banana chocolate banana smoothies.
Yeah,
and
brain freeze.
What? Hold on, the light's really bad. Okay. Yeah, they're really
Now I'm
good.
gonna do something so stupid.
Oh,
I
God.
don't even know what this tastes like.
Don't do it. You're a
Fizz.
moron. Chug!
You want me to chug?
Sorry.
That actually tastes kind of good.
Drink, chug. Sorry. Here, go get mine. Here.
Diner, you sit right there. And Tony's gonna be right back.
Don't throw up again. Oh, God. Conan, Chotty, okay? Ew, what did you do it? Ew, would you look at that? Look at that, would you? Ew, that is weird. Oh, God, Conan, they like deformed your smoothie.
Okay.
Dude, the chefs have totally deformed it. That's just creepy. Kind of looks like my dad's face. I'm kidding. Must not deformed. You taste really good. I don't want to do this. Do I have to do this?
You don't have to, but it tastes good.
Here I go. What tasted worse?
What's the tasted bad before? Oh my God. Go down.
I'm sorry, I'm scraping.
I'm trying not to throw up again.
How's that working out for you? How's that working out for you?
It tastes like one of those things Mom used to make. It was disgusting.
I know. Pick me!
Diner.
Pick me!
Itachi, I pick Itachi!
I raised a silent hand, teacher!
He has a silent hand too.
Okay! You mean root beer floats?
No.
Oh, we made a root beer float at your house. It was pretty good. Maybe it was a choco banana float.
No.
Oh yeah, what now?
It was a chocolate covered banana. And
let's dive into
she did something with it, I forgot. Yeah, I shouldn't have put that much in it.
No.
My mom's cooking.
Are you realizing how the boredom surrounds and suffocates me just like my mom's cooking?
No, but yesterday she made something so disgusting.
What was it?
Let's just say it was a whole bunch of...
Oh, nice. Shoo. Oh, shoo. Thank you. No.
Yeah, I think we got high off the stuff again.
Even good burp.
Dun dun dun.
What are you doing?
Let's see what I do.
Hold on, I just... I'll be right back. Don't hurt yourself! No, you can't come! You can't come! You can't come! Because if you see this, then they'll be like, oh, we can't come, you can't. Ow!
What did you just do? God, she calls me crazy. That's disgusting. Dada, if I trust you with the camera, you won't drop it, will you? Yeah. Just take that. Coney will be right back.
Are you okay?
No, Coney, it's not okay!
Conan, where's the camera? What you do to the camera?
Look at me, Dada.
What? Oh, hi, Dada! Oh god, I think we're high off this crap. Conan, are you okay? Conan? Conan?
Is coughing up blood is normal?
Conan? You coughed up blood, really? Let me see. Oh, there ain't no blood. That is not Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm getting out. Boing, 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 boing. With this result, never do that. Never put never put stuff in your banana smoothie. Bye-bye.